Hey guys, welcome. In this video we're gonna go over a day at the track. Everything from my little ritual before prepping the car all the way to actually getting there, getting some laps in and having some fun. So I'm just gonna cover what I go through, my little prep procedure for the Civic, and hopefully you guys enjoy. You can see here where my fender liner rubbed on the tire and melted onto the caliper. I can get it off, but it's not that big of a deal, I guess. It's whatever. Take a look at these rotors. They have seen some track days for sure, but they got one or two more left in them, I think. They're not too bad off, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and bolt this wheel up. I'm gonna torque them all, and that'll be it. Okay, so that's about it for the prep. I've changed the oil. I did that yesterday. I just finished swapping the brake pads and tires over. Everything's been torqued. So that's it. Our track day is later tonight. It is at 5, so I've got a few hours now to run around and get some things done. I've got to go get my hair cut. I've got to get some gas in the car. I've got to grab the jerry cans. I've got to pack up the trunk. So when I pack up the car, I'll kind of show you guys what I bring to a half track day and evening. So I'll bring the 2 jerry cans. I'll usually maybe bring 1 chair, and I'll bring my little cooler with some snacks and some water. That's really it for the half days. Of course, there's oil and brake fluid in the car and the trunk already, just in case, but that's really it. So I'll catch back up with you guys when we're actually packing the car up for the track. Okay guys, so we have packed the car up. I will show you what I've got here. My one little track special lawn chair. It's beat up and it sucks, but it's good for bringing to the track. We've got our 2 jerry cans that are currently empty. I like to fill those closer to the track just because I hate driving around with the fuel in the back here. It's a little sketch. We've got my crate that never leaves. We've got some octane booster in here if need be, oil, tire pressure gauge, spare brake pads, and then some various cloths and brake bleed bottle there. We've got our little toolkit there just in case something comes loose and we need to sort it out. We've got the cooler with some drinks and snacks for myself, the GoPro bag, and my helmet's in the back there. And that's really it for the packing portion. When I do these 5 to 9 evening sessions, I kind of pack light. I don't even bother bringing the tent. The sub comes out obviously, so the sub's here. Pretty simple. Take the 2 RCAs off. We undo the ground, the remote, and the 12 volt, and that's it. Sub comes right out, so we're not dragging that down to the track with us, and that's really it. I'm gonna head on out now, and we will get going. We'll catch back up at the track.